Hello, I'm Phil Andrews. I'm going to make a couple of bedside tables out of black walnut from Bucks County. And to start making these tables, I usually pick out some nice boards that I can cut the legs out of, and the top, and the front, and the backsplash. So what I usually do is I'll see a board like this, and I'll look at it, and I usually put a crayon on it, and I'll draw out the table with the grain. I follow the grain of the wood. This will make it nice like this. And to cut out the feet, I'll cut it out. See how the grain here goes up like this? I'll cut it out here. Just follow the grain, make it a little bit like that. Usually I have about 3 to 4 inch leg here, so the table sits good. And then over here is another piece, right here. This is the same way. Oh, here's the leg here. Comes up like this. Cut it out here. Follow that. Cut off some of that wood that's not so good, but it's still a free-form table because you're following the grain of the wood. Okay. Cut all this stuff off like that. Here that I drew out, and this is the finished product right here of the table. I used, this is 1, this is 2. How it's cut here, I put the dovetail in here. I'm going to make a pair of these tables, set of legs right here that I cut out, which it also corresponds to this leg here, so it's like a matching pair. To acquire an edge, I use a small drawing knife to get some of the wood off. This is smoke shade that I'm using. I have to turn it because I'm going against the grain sometimes. You don't want to do that. You're going to try to always go with the grain when you're cutting wood. The top of the table, I usually pick out really pretty wood with very fancy grain and the backsplash. And the second table will be out of this piece of wood here. This is going to be the top, and I'll just do this like that, do it like this, cut it, cut it back straight like that. So this will be the top for the second table for a matching pair of tables. The front face of the table is really an outstanding piece of wood here, which I picked out. This is for the first table, and then this one will be the second table, which is from a different board but out of the same log. So it'll actually make a nice pair. And also, I used the tiger maple in the drawer for a good contrast, and I will make a little walnut knob to put on the front of the table. It usually takes about 3 coats of oil to get a good finish, maybe 4.